Hey guys, I'm Little Wade with Wade's RV out here at the Tulsa Boat Sport and Travel Show here in Tulsa, and I have my factory rep with me, Mark. He's going to show us the impression. We have a new unit out here. Can you tell us a little bit more about the new unit?
Absolutely. I mean, where else can you find a unit that's half-ton towable, sleeps 8, and has a slide on one side? You can enjoy that awning on the whole side.
On. You just like went past that real quick. Half-ton towable?
Half-ton towable.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
8,900 pounds.
Oh wow.
And so when people start thinking about, fifth wheels, they think, oh, there's no way I can tow this anywhere with a smaller truck like I have now, but a little slider hitch for your short bed or something. Okay. Not a problem at all.
Awesome. So tell me some of the outside features that you like the best.
So, obviously the outdoor kitchen is always a big hit. And there's not a slide on this side. So like I said, if people put a deck or something up here, they can have the whole deck area to put chairs and whatnot. Okay. They've got the awning to be able to use that whole space there as well. Tons of storage in here. As you can see right there, already has solar on top.
That's so awesome.
A lot of really good, nice features with it.
And so I noticed, do we have Goodyear tires on this thing?
Absolutely. So the best of the business right now, Goodyear Endurance tires. They're E-rated, 87 miles an hour. Then we also have auto levels you can see on there.
Oh, wow.
And then with the heated and enclosed underbelly, not only are there 12-volt heating pads on every tank, it actually has a dedicated ductive air, so that same hot air for the 35,000 BTU heater is blowing down there anytime that furnace is running.
Okay, so tell us some of the awesome features going on inside this unit.
So it's one of those very cozy, but yet you have a lot of separate spaces. You've got your bedroom space. You've got the whole back room for the kids' space. You've got place for people to be able to spend the night in the main room as well. So like I said, sleeps 8. But one of the biggest features is that hidden pantry. Okay. So the whole wall opens up. That's got the TV, soundbar, and fireplace. Yes. That whole wall opens up. So plenty of counter space for people. Lots of storage, and like I said, for 8 people. Or I've got guys that love to hunt. They just bring their buddy, because it's got a pass-through door on the back of it, so you can just take your guns and everything else and put them right in there. I noticed that we have a lot of awesome features on the outside. So half-ton towable, you got the upgraded tires, Goodyear tires. You have a lot of storage. So many options for using this unit. We have some more floor plans, I noticed. So how many do we have that's half-ton towable? How many options? So there's 8 different floor plans. 4 of those are half-ton towable. Okay. Now the other great feature that nobody else really has in a mid-profile fifth wheel, stackable washer-dryer prep on every one. So it doesn't matter whether it's our little tiny one that's a 235 RW, the rear window, that's under 29 feet, 7,500 pounds, or our largest one that's a 330 bath and a half bunkhouse. They all have the exact same features. Okay, so if you've been in the market for a half-ton towable fifth wheel, come out here and talk to Mark, talk to one of the guys at Wade's RV, and we can get you some more information. We could run the numbers for you. Or if you want to visit us at our one of our lots, contact us at 918-291-1011. Visit our website, wadesrv.com, or follow us on social media. We have a lot of fun stuff going on on our Facebook page or YouTube page. We're always trying to educate you guys. So do you have any more things to say? I just want to say, come out to the RV show here in Tulsa, and let's start turning some miles into memories here with Wade's RV.
See you guys.